Gusii obugima bwaye oyo kabeire bono omwalimu omone bw'esukuru ya bwesike Otamba nigo litukulia rumubunga bw'ensemeyo Nyaribali Kisii and Nyamira abagakomerana amo n'aba MCA be chiwodi asebunge yo abayigo n'abalimu abane b'esukuru kyonsi kurwa sebunge yo ye Nyaribali Kisii okwana litukulia Kisii and Nyamira ni gata runa magendere ko bwatera naso bwamwa kwane kibonango kine bali birongo bekisemya sukuru ya muri sukuru chinde abayigo mbabwatera nasemero biliyo yo kunyara komwenia omwalimu omone bw'esukuru yo Ruthenganga oyibona bakawusite mu bwaye ko bwatikana no basukano bwebara masene bareri ya chabera maigaje galiya mukunyara ko mutuma na gotama ko ikraboniga etaranyara ge kumanywa roboti ru asenchira yobo ikrano no muri kaito Mildred mumanyi Omubunge bw'ensemo ya Nyaribali Kisii nigo aumerana n'abarai kurwa ase bunge yae igati yabo aba MCA kurwa ase chiwodi kyonse imeye bunge yo amo n'aba principal bonsi kurwa ase chiskuru ase ensemeyo ase bakwanira igati ya magendero alibabwenete kokora ilikwene kiabuna chikerengo gichisemi ngo imokera kiriguru.
We had a meeting here today so that we can be able to discuss about issues that are affecting the people of Nyaribali Kisii. We had a meeting with the entire administration, the chiefs and the assistant chiefs. As you are aware, we have problems that in terms of illicit brews, drug abuse. So we were discussing about the challenges. We have boundary issues within our constituency. So we had to sit down and craft a formula so that we can be able to deliver services to the people of Nyaribali Kisii. We also had a meeting with all the principals within the constituency to discuss about the challenges, educational challenges that we are facing, infrastructural challenges, and that's why we decided as leaders, myself together with the honorable MCAs, to sit down and find a common solution.
So on
behalf of myself as the area member of parliament, together with my colleagues, we want to send a message of condolence to the family of the late Madam Ruth, the principal of Otamba school. It is unfortunate, but that is the will of God. We accept, and I want to assure the family and the people of Nyaribali Kisii that we will stand with the family, support the family, and give our late sister a send-off, a decent, befitting send-off, so that she can rest in peace.
We want to thank the area member of parliament for quickly having organized for this meeting, that we may start planning for our burial, among other things that we've discussed, including the status of our schools and the academic performance in our schools. We have agreed that after the burial we will be meeting again so that we may begin making plans to make our education standards in the area be successful, and we want to thank the member of parliament for the support.
Egati yaba principal awekrana asenseme yoba koragwa namo principal o Kisii School Fred Mogaka nigo bamwakira omwaziri w'ekisemi ngambu yamono aso kubwatoka kibesa kimanye katimuna capitation eligo kikokonya amagenderero ase chiskuru.
The government through the Ministry of Education that we've received the funds, and I know the minister committed himself that the money will be maintained at 22,000. We don't expect to come down. And I know with the constraints the countries are undergoing, we want to ask that we be patient with each other even as we improve the education standards. And I know, Mheshimiwa, you people are trying. What we are asking is that going forward, that we may receive these monies. In fact, we received the money for the first time. We were even wondering, we received the money the last week because of the commitment of our CS education.
Our feeling that the members of parliament should stand with institutions, because without education, our communities are dead. And therefore, Mheshimiwa, as you will be reconvening, kindly push for that agenda. There is no way we can move from a capitation of 22,240 down to 17,000. Even with the kind of inflation that we have, we really feel like this money could have gone up.
Ndizi TV, Mildred mumanyi.